Some big breaking coming in. Mamata Banerjee's big attack on Home Minister Amit Shah. Mamata questions Shah's launch. In fact, Amit Shah's lunch with tribals in Bankura earlier this month. Mamata Banerjee says, and I quote, Shah didn't eat food prepared by tribal families. Food was brought from outside. This is exactly what Mamata Banerjee has said, attacking Amit Shah. In fact, Mamata Banerjee there stepping up her attack against the Home Minister Amit Shah on his arrival in West Bengal. Amit Shah questions, in fact, Mamata Banerjee there questions Amit Shah's lunch that he had with the tribals in Bankura earlier this month. Mamata Banerjee there saying Amit Shah didn't eat the food prepared by the tribal families. Instead, he was eating food that was brought from outside. Mamata Banerjee there stepping up her attack against the BJP. Remember, the BJP and the TMC have been at loggerheads for quite a while now ahead of the assembly polls that's coming up in about 6 months' time in West Bengal. And looking at the war of words time and again, Mamata Banerjee now hitting out at Amit Shah, saying a month ago when Amit Shah had come down to West Bengal, he visited the tribals, he had lunch with the tribals in Bankura, and he ate lunch with them, but not the food that was prepared by the tribal families. Instead, food was brought for Amit Shah from outside. This is exactly what Mamata Banerjee has said. Let's quickly cut across to Manogya Loiwal joining us live for more. Manogya, Mamata Banerjee there hitting out at Amit Shah for not eating the food prepared by the tribal families, instead bringing food from outside. This is what she says. This is her allegation, but is it true?
Well, there is a lot of controversies that have been there one after the other. In the political forum, there have been allegations and counter-allegations. There have been allegations that even the payment that was supposed to be made for the food, or even the other aspects that includes the fact that the food was not made locally, which perhaps BJP has denied immediately, stating that it was made in the family and by the family where he had lunch in Bankura. But not only that, there are many more aspects to the political fight that is now brewing across the state of West Bengal. Today being the first day of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's rally, a political as well as an administrative address that it was, where she has not only addressed various causes, issues, development sectors that the state has seen in past few years, but has also mentioned categorically on the plans ahead, from free food that would be given, free ration that would be given to the people till June amidst the COVID-19 crisis, but also the fact that there will be several other steps. The political battle, however, is getting more and more interesting, with now Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee straight away attacking Amit Shah, the Home Minister of India.
Absolutely. Manogya, thank you very much for joining us with those details there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.